Hey guys, it's Miss White. So I just wanted to help you guys out when you're working on one of your projects for Mr. Sykes. So right now, Mr. Sykes has posted an art analysis or response to art project. In order to do this, after you read his message, you click on the Google Doc. Once you click on that, it opens up your assignment. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to go through and read what he has here. So this one, like for the fifth graders, is about sculpture, and you see some pictures and things there about sculpture. And you're going to go and you're going to read through this. Then you read through the directions here. Use the image and information above and below to formulate your analysis and type your response on pages 3 and 4. So here it gives you some other things that you can think about when you talk about the elements of art. You're going to use those to help you come up with your answers. Now you keep scrolling. On page 3 is where you're going to start doing your answers. Where it says name, you click inside there, and that's where you're going to type my name. Then your homeroom teacher, like for this one, it's for Rocco. And sorry, Miss White has cap locks on. I'm going to go back and fix that because remember, when you type in all caps, it's like you're screaming at somebody. So we don't want to do that. You'll put in the date, you'll put in the grade. Now, for the describe, you get 5 points. What do you see? Make a list of any 5 things you see in the artwork. The artwork is referring to what's on that front page. Once you look at this picture, what are 5 things that you see? You're going to go and scroll back here, and you're going to write one thing on each line. So it's a thing, and a thing, and a thing, and a thing, and a thing. Now, you know right now Miss White is just being silly by typing in the word thing. You guys have to find what words or what things you actually see in there. Then you keep scrolling and you're going to answer each piece. What does the artist use? You keep scrolling. You go into interpret. You're going to click in there and you're going to answer those questions right there in those spots. So I hope this helps you understand what you do. When you're done with it, you're going to close out your assignment and you're going to hit the turn in button. That's going to let Mr. Sykes know that you are ready to turn in your assignment. Hope this helps.